Now this, ladies and germs, this is my new hot compost bin. Oh yeah. I'm taking brown material from here. There's a little bit of green there, but this was a hot compost pile, and I turned it and I lost all of the heat and I separated it out too much. I am adding some of this leaf mulch with this partially digested compost, with some of this chicken manure, with fresh grass clippings, and layering it in, and then spraying it a little bit. Now, oops. It might not get to 140 because I just put new stuff on and put some cold water on there, but could be reaching down deep enough. So that's hot compost. 16 inches down, or however long that thermometer is, that is 140 degrees. It makes me very happy. So this is even after a rain. It's rained all afternoon, and look at that needle. We have surpassed all expectations here with the hot compost. And finally, it went down to 38 degrees last night. And it is only 7 o'clock in the morning. 41 degrees outside right now. Still over 140 inside the compost pile. My goodness.